Welcome to this training. This is an HP system, but you can't see VGA card here. So you can't see VGA card here. So there's no way, no place to put this VGA. It's not there. You can't find it. It's not there. So we are going to create a port where we can connect the signal cable or the VGA port. So we have the flex port. Okay, so let me open it. This is called the flex port. So this is things inside. This is our manual. Okay, we have it here. So we're going to install it here so that you can actually connect it to the system. Okay. You open the system. In the system. Then, okay, the next thing is you remove this. I'll remove it. We remove this casing. Okay? So how do I remove? Place your hand here, put hand here, put hand there, and it's out. Then you have the port here. This is where you start the port. Okay, so you pop, but it's covered. It's closed. So come pop open. I open it up just with my hand. It's open, so you try it and then bring out your flex port. So it comes with the screw. You see the screw, the tiny screw. Make sure you look for the tiny screw. It comes with this. Okay, so tiny. So we're going to fix it. Be very careful. Bring it closer. Up, so okay, so you had a clip sound. It has clipped, so you can now okay, so it's connected. You plug the system. Okay, so you've connected, you can test it, put the system and connect it and see if it will come up. We've connected the system using this and it's up. So that means our connection is okay. I hope you do enjoy the training. Thank you for watching.